Hello guys, this is a NerdWallet Budget App review. We'll be talking about the services, pros, cons, and pricing. So NerdWallet stands out with its unique financial services and resources through its online platform. These services empower individuals and small to mid-sized businesses with the knowledge that they need to make informed financial decisions. Some of these services include services on credit cards, banking, loans, insurance, personal finance, investing, small businesses options, and taxes. Now, with every service, there are the pros and cons. I'd like to mention the pros. Now, NerdWallet offers many benefits to its users, such as free import of financial transactions, free credit score checker, and simulation which helps to get your credit back on track. It also has a large resource for financial literacy content. Then advertising is minimal on the site. Now to the cons. While NerdWallet provides numerous benefits, there are a few potential drawbacks. Now, since NerdWallet makes money by promoting certain financial products, this means that you might see some ads that are not the best fit for you. The second drawback is updating balances. While NerdWallet typically updates balances automatically once every 24 hours, there are instances where the process may not function correctly, thus causing delays or inaccuracies in the displayed information. And when it comes to the pricing, would like to mention that NerdWallet services are free to users. These include free articles, guides, calculators, as well as free to use tools for budgeting, credit score monitoring, and tax preparation. It does offer premium services and partnerships with financial institutions. So while they offer free financial tools and resources, depending on a sub-service you might be choosing. In order to know this, you'll need to review the specifics of each service you may want to see if they're worth it. We hope you found this review on NerdWallet helpful, and if you did, let us know and thanks for watching.